Hello and welcome to another video on my DIY gardening YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and today I'll be sharing with you 11 of my favourite plants for filling space quickly in your garden. Now some of these plants will be more suitable for ground cover, others will be for filling in space perhaps under roses, and others will be more suitable for filling in vertical space in your garden. But whatever your needs, I'm pretty sure that you'll find at least a few of these plants suitable for your garden.
The first plant on my list is Clematis. Now this is one of the most versatile climbers. Clematis can grow at a rapid pace. Their extensive vines can quickly cover fences, trellises and walls. With varieties blooming from spring to late autumn, they offer a prolonged display of vibrant flowers. Their fast growth rate and beautiful blossoms make them ideal for quickly filling in bare spaces and adding vertical interest. Hydrangeas are renowned for their large globe-like flowers that can transform any garden space. They have a moderate to fast growth rate and can spread quite extensively. Perfect for hedges or standalone shrubs, hydrangeas can effectively cover up empty spaces. Their broad leaves and dense growth habit make them excellent choices for achieving a lush look in minimal time. Beauty bush. This deciduous shrub lives up to its name with cascades of pink flowers in late spring. Growing quickly, beauty bush can reach significant sizes in just a few years. Its sprawling habit makes it an optimal choice for gardeners wanting to cover large areas or to create a naturalized backdrop. The mass of bell-shaped flowers makes it a focal point in any garden. Next on my list is mock orange. Named for its sweetly scented orange blossom-like flowers, mock orange grows vigorously. This shrub can easily fill in empty garden spaces with its dense foliage and white fragrant blooms. It's particularly suitable for those looking to quickly establish a hedge or a natural barrier. The rapid growth and aromatic presence ensure a delightful sensory experience. Clumping bamboo. Unlike its invasive counterpart, clumping bamboo grows fast but in a contained manner. Reaching heights that can provide privacy, they're perfect for creating living screens or borders. The slender arching canes and evergreen foliage bring an exotic touch to landscapes. For a rapid yet manageable growth, clumping bamboo is a top choice. Hardy geraniums. These perennial plants are true workhorses in the garden. Hardy geraniums spread efficiently, producing a carpet of foliage and vibrant flowers. Their rapid growth and sprawling nature can quickly cover bare soil or function as ground covers. With a variety of colours and patterns, they not only fill spaces quickly, but also add a burst of colour to gardens. Phlox stands out with its profusion of colourful star-shaped flowers. Growing at a steady pace, this perennial can quickly carpet garden spaces with its dense clusters of blooms. Depending on the variety, phlox can be low-growing, ideal for ground covers, or taller for a vibrant backdrop in borders. Its ability to thrive in various conditions and its rapid spread make phlox an excellent choice for gardeners looking to infuse spaces with colour. Honeysuckle is a vigorous climber known for its tubular, fragrant flowers that attract pollinators. Growing rapidly, it can swiftly twine around structures, turning them into living displays of greenery and blooms. Its fast growth rate makes honeysuckle ideal for quickly covering trellises, fences or walls. The intoxicating scent and continuous flowering are bonuses that enrich gardens both visually and aromatically. Viburnum is a diverse group of shrubs admired for their varied foliage, fragrant flowers and often colourful berries. Growing at a moderate to fast rate, they can form dense hedges or be a focal point in a landscape. Their robust nature allows them to fill spaces efficiently, bringing year-round interest due to their multi-seasonal appeal. Whether it's spring blooms, summer berries or fall colour, Viburnum provides gardeners with a reliable space filler. Weigela bursts into spring with bell-shaped flowers, often attracting hummingbirds. This deciduous shrub grows quickly, showcasing arching branches laden with blooms. Its fast growth, combined with its showy flowers, makes it a favourite for gardeners wanting to fill spaces with both height and colour. Modern varieties also offer diverse foliage colours, adding to its allure as a quick and vibrant space filler. Hostas Particularly varieties like Sum and Substance are celebrated for their ability to fill garden spaces with their lush foliage. Sum and Substance is known for its rapid growth compared to other hosta types, quickly achieving impressive sizes. These plants come in a range of colours from deep greens to blues and even yellows, with some showcasing variegated patterns. Perfect for shady areas, their broad leaves provide texture and depth. Hostas, especially faster growing varieties, are essential for those looking to enhance underspaces and corners of their garden with vibrant greenery in a shorter time span.
So that's it. That's my list of 11 plants that fill space quickly in the garden. Now, perhaps you feel that I've missed off a plant, or you have a personal favorite that you'd like to share. If so, head down into the comment section beneath this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Again, my name is Daniel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.